G'day, my name is Mario Greco from Control Logic. I'm here today to talk to you about the Hirschmann MIPP, the Modular Industrial Patch Panel. The MIPP is a high quality solution. It is designed for performance in critical industrial networking applications. It is robust and versatile in design that accommodates both optical fibre and Keystone RJ45 copper ports. It is a demarcation point from the field devices back to the industrial switch. The panels are constructed of a lightweight, high-strength aluminium designed to house and protect both copper and optical fibre connection points under the harshest industrial conditions. The housing is able to withstand temperatures of minus 20 to 70 degrees, and it is resilient to shock and vibration. High port density to meet ever-expanding networks. Expandable from 1 to 6 modules wide. As you can see in my hand, it's a full module. It allows up to 72 ports of optical fibre and supports both single mode and multi-mode through adapters, or 24 ports of Keystone RJ45 copper ports, which supports both unshielded and shielded Cat5e, Cat6a and Cat7. It's modular and compact in design, and it is easily installed on any 35mm DIN rail. And as you can see, the actual DIN rail clip runs the length of the housing. The MIPP is ideal for use in a wide range of industrial applications. Its industrial design makes it highly suited for use in machine building, transportation, oil and gas, power generation, anywhere where connectivity is needed. For more detailed information, please contact us at Control Logic or visit us at controllogic.com.au.